Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today we are back with another exciting topic. So there is a huge hype in the last couple of days about a new artificial intelligence called Devin AI. So you remember there was a time like ChatGPT. There are a lot of hype and there were a lot of discussion on it. So now recently there is something called Devin AI, which everybody's talking about, and it's called the world's first AI software engineer. So it's not just AI, it's called the AI software engineer, and there are a lot of videos and a lot of discussion on whether Devin AI is going to replace the software engineers or the work the software engineers are doing. So let's discuss a little bit about on this in this video, and I'm not the expert on this, but I will try to share what is Devin AI and how it works, and let's go through some of the documentation from there and let's see what we can come to a conclusion on this. Okay, so what is Devin AI? So it's called the world's fully autonomous AI software engineer. And who has developed it? It's developed by Cognition, a leading tech company, and they have introduced the Devin AI. And they say it's going to be a game changer. But do you think Devin AI is going to be a game changer in the software development? I personally cannot comment anything because it is in the very initial phase, and I will show you what they have shown some demos and how it works. So I'm not an expert or artificial intelligence expert to tell, this is going to completely take off the work which a software developer is doing. Definitely, AIs can bring more value and can help software developers in a lot of various way to improve their productivity and supercharge their work. So it has been said, this AI has the potential to make software development faster, smarter, and accessible to more people. I can agree that it can make the development faster, smarter, and accessible for more people, but I don't know it's going to be completely a game changer where every software job will be, migrated into an AI job. And how this Devin AI works? So it's like a virtual software engineer, and it has its own toolbox. What it is mean by toolbox? The AI, it does not just suggest code; it can operate. So and how it operates, it have its own an environment like a code editor, web browser, and unique system. So if you give a task, it will try to replicate those work in its own environment with the code editor. It can go to browser, it can browse for any queries, it can get those into your code, and it can, if there are some issues, it can search for a solution and can fix it. So those were the demos they have given. I will show you all those things. And with this advanced long-term reasoning and the planning which is available as part of this AI, Devin can plan, execute complex engineering tasks and requiring thousands of decisions. It's not just give a simple task, so it can reason it by itself, and it can go and search for solution. It can implement those things, and it can take decisions, and it can uh, execute the complex engineering task. That's what the recommendation. Let's see what they say as from the cognition side. So if you go to the Cognition site, cognitionlabs.com, and introducing Devin, and you can see it's just released on March 12, so it's just a few days before, and you can see the complete details about this AI software, which is I'm talking about the Devin, and you can read about what its capabilities are and what it can do, and they have some demos like how to learn unfamiliar technologies. You can see there are scenario like after reading a blog post, Devin runs control net on knowledge to produce images. It have deploying end-to-end apps. It have autonomous finding bugs in code bases, train. It's a sample of how you train and fine tune its own AI model, and how how Devin address bugs and features in open source repository. So they have given different examples on showing how Devin works and the performance benchmark. And before that, let's just have a look on the basic introduction video. So you can see it says there's the first AI software engineer, and what they show is this is the platform for Devin, and you just give a task for it. figure out API format, and it have its own workspace, so where it will try to code, and you can see it will do all those stuff. It have its own browser. You can see it has own APIs and stuff, so you can see it give you the system. It has its own system panel. It have the code editor, so everything is there, and it's the browser. You search for, if something is not there, you can see it, go and search and find out what it is, from the browser if it's something missing. So that's a sample, which they showed. I will link this their Cognition site, so you can go through it and you can find out more details about this, and you can see there are some comparison about all these things. And it's they have a good funding on search or doing a research. And the main question would be like how we can test this Devin, or how you want to use it, right? So sorry guys, I don't have any experience on trying out this, but you can see the only option is like, it's very early stage. So if you want to use Devin, just reach out to them or to this email. So probably they will give you a trial instance, or information how to make use of Devin, and you can try to use that. So that's all I can say currently, but you can go through this blog, and you can check out their YouTube videos and the samples, and you can give your decision whether this is going to change the complete industry, or or it's just another hype, just like different AI tools. I know AI is getting more and more into the industries, and it's helping a lot of ways, in good way or bad way. But it's for me, I feel it's cannot change the complete human work, because human mind is more super than any artificial intelligence, because humans mind can more creative, because you take it to this level, it can go to the next level, the human minds, because we don't know how far we can push a human mind, right? So it's from my point of view, I just wanted to share this detail about Devin AI. So I would say, like, have a look on this video, just have a look on their website, and take your own decision, try out by reaching out to them, and they give your feedback in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, give your suggestion and feedback in the comment box. And I always request you to support, and thank you for watching.